Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Bafna and in this video, let's try to deal with arrays. So in this series, we'll be dealing with 1D arrays. Let me just write it. Okay. In this series, we'll deal with 1D arrays, then 2D arrays, then 3D arrays. Apart from that, we'll extend the concept to ND arrays. Okay, just extend the concept to ND arrays. Anyway, we cannot imagine 4D, 5D, 6D arrays, but anyway, we'll extend the concept from 1D, 2D, 3D our learnings to ND arrays. Then we'll see this stuff. Row measure order, RMO. Then we'll see column measure order. CMO. And finally, we'll see lower triangular matrix, RMO. So this concept is also sometimes asked. Fine. So we'll deal with all these things, but let's get started with first 1D arrays. So let's get started. 1D arrays. Fine. So maybe you can draw a diagram for array. See, you can draw it this way. Let us say A is a 1D array consisting of this element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's take 7, 8 elements itself. Anyways, you can take any number of elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fine. We need two things, isn't it? First thing, what will be the base address? Next thing, what will be the size of element? Okay, this is an integer. What will be the size of integer? Make two assumptions. Okay, which two assumptions? Let's state it. Fine. Easy, easy. Everything is easy. Please concentrate. Assumptions. ASSUMP. Assumptions. So first assumption. See. Base address of the array. Base address. Base address equal to, let's say it is maybe 1000. Okay, just for the sake of convenience, you can take 1000 or maybe 100, just for the sake of convenience. Right. Next assumption. What is it? You need to know the size of element, isn't it? Size of element. Here, element is actually an integer. So you might think integer is of 4 bytes, but then it is actually compiler dependent. If compiler allocates 2 bytes, integer is of 2 bytes. If compiler allocates 4 bytes, integer is of 4 bytes. So it is compiler dependent. Assume it to be 4 bytes for now, or maybe assume it to be 2 bytes. Let's take 4 bytes because most of the compilers will allocate 4 bytes. Okay, that would be good. Fine. And size of element. Let me write in brackets what integer. Because all these are integers, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, etc. All these are integers. Okay. Base address is 1000 and size of element is 4 bytes. Just get started. Get started with 1000. Okay, 1000. Then the size is of 4 bytes. What will this be? 1000, 101, 102, 103. Okay, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. So you'll get this 1004, 1008, 1012, 1016. I hope you're getting it how I calculated. Fine. Yeah, I keep on adding 4. Fine. Because this integer is of 4 bytes. As per our assumption. 1016, 1020, 1024. Fine. Done with this one. Now, see, this one is zeroth element. This one is first element. Indexing start with 0. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. By default, indexing starts with 0, not 1. Unless there is some hypothetical question in which indexing starts with 1. Unless it is mentioned. So generally it starts with 0. Okay. Now, let's see. So I want all of you to concentrate properly from this point onwards. See, array name without subscript. Okay. Array name without subscript indicates base address of 0th element of the 1D array, isn't it? If you put star, you'll go one level inside. Okay, now value 1. Okay, if you put a star, what will happen? See, if you put a star, you will point to this value 1. Okay, what is this? Value of 0th element of the entire 1D array. So if you put and, you will go one level outside. What is it? And will be what? Let me write it. Okay. This is and a. Okay. Base address of the entire 1D array. The entire 1D array is base address and a. Simple. So I'll just write it out. So maybe it will be helpful. If you write it along with me, it will be very beneficial. Just write it along with me. A implies what? Base address of what? 0th element of the entire 1D array. This entire 1D array, isn't it? Base address of 0th element of the entire 1D array. Fine. Of the 1D array. Anyways, 1D array. Because we are dealing with 1D array itself. Fine. What will be star A? Star means what? Go one level inside. See, A is base address of 0th element of the 1D array. If you put star, you'll go one level inside. Okay, star A means what? Value of 0th element of the entire 1D array. So this is 1D array, isn't it? This entire thing is actually a 1D array. Let me just state it. This entire thing is actually 1D array. Value of 0th element of the entire 1D array. I hope you're getting it. So star A means what? Value of 0th element of the 1D array. If you put and, you will go one level outside. So think progressively. Initially, what is A? A is base address of 0th element. So how to think? See, array is divided into multiple elements. Okay. 0th element base address means A. Okay. Array name without subscript indicates base address of 0th element. If you put star, you will go one level inside. What is inside it? Value of 0th element. That is what star A indicates. Value of 0th element of the entire 1D array. A is base address of 0th element. If you put and, you will go one level outside. Okay. Right now you are pointing to the 0th element. If you put and A means go one level outside. So you will point to the entire 1D array, isn't it? Isn't it so interesting? See, and A indicates what? Let me state it. And A implies base address of the entire 1D array. Right. Now, if you see this one, if I put, what will happen if I put one more star? Already this star A, isn't it? If I put one more star, okay, before that, what is star? So you are going one level inside. What are you actually doing? You are dereferencing. Okay. What is star? Let me write it. This will make the thought process very clear. Star is called as indirection operator. Or maybe it is also called as dereferencing operator. It is sometimes called as star indicates what? Star indicates object at the location or maybe value at the location. Let me write it. Object at, by using star, you will get object at the location or address. Hmm. So at some address, what is present in it? Just go inside. If you want to go inside of it, just put a star. If you see this one, object or maybe value, what's your it maybe? Okay, value at the location. Location or address, anyways, both are same only. Fine. So see this one. If you see what is star A? Star A is one. If I put one more star, what will happen? Star A. Ah, you are trying to dereference one, isn't it? Star A means what? Already star A is one. You are trying to dereference this. This is itself one. What will be star one be? There's nothing inside one. One क्या कोई data structure है जिसके अंदर कुछ होगा? There's nothing inside one, isn't it? So if you see value at some location, okay, it is value, not any kind of location, isn't it? Uh, this I hope you are getting it. Okay, star A is one. You are trying to dereference it. You are trying to see what is inside one. What is inside one? Nothing. So error. It will give you error, isn't it? Ah. So if you see this one, A indicates what? A indicates this one. Ah. Zeroth elements base address. If you put star, you will go one level inside. Okay, we are having the base address. If you go put star, you will get the value. Now, if you are having value, if you put star, what will you get? Nothing. It will give error. You are trying to go inside value. What is there inside one? What is there inside one? Nothing. So see, this will give you error. If you see this one, let me state it. Star A. This will give you an error. Okay. Next thing which you need to explore. What will be AND of AND A? Right now, okay. AND A indicates what base address of the entire 1D array. Now, if you put AND, again it will give you error. So this will also give you error. Let's write it out. AND of AND A. This will also give you error. You can cross verify it in online C compiler. Even I have checked it. So you can just cross verify or maybe you can check it on online C compiler so that it will be a good exercise for you. Fine. Check it out on online C compiler. C or C plus or C compiler. Fine. Now, let's see next one. Okay. If you see this one, A plus 1. What is this A plus 1? Before that, if I want to have this 6, point to this 6. If I want to get this 6, how will I write it? You must be aware of it, isn't it? You must have used it multiple times. A of 5. This is 6, isn't it? A of 5. This is what you generally write, isn't it? Let's see how we write it internally. So A of 5 A of 5 is 6. Okay. This is for user convenience. But internally, how will it be computed? If you see this one, internally it will be computed as A. See how I write it. Just watch carefully. A of 5. So A plus 5 and then put a star. Star of A plus 5. Let's see if this is correct or not. What is A? So see, what is A? A is base address of what? In the 1D array, A indicates what? Base address of zeroth element. I told you initially. See, A is base address of this zeroth element. So I have even wrote it here. Base address of zeroth element of the 1D array. Base address of zeroth element of the 1D array. If I do plus 5, what will happen? See this one. If I do plus 5, right now we are pointing to zeroth element. If I do plus 5, I will point to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'll point to fifth element of the array. Okay, base address of the fifth element. So see this one. Base address of fifth element of the 1D array. 1D array. If I put star, what will happen? I'll go one level inside. Right now, I am pointing to this base address of fifth element. If I put star, I'll go one level inside. I'll point to value, not the base address. Value of fifth element of the entire 1D array. So see this one. Instead of base address, I'll get value. You just a simple change. See. Value of fifth element of the 1D array. So what is value of fifth element? Obviously, it is 6. We are getting correctly. A of 5 is 6 and star A plus 5 is also 6, isn't it? A of 5 equal to, okay, this is equal to 6 and star A plus 5 is also equal to 6, isn't it? So this is correct. This one is actually for user convenience. See, concentrate properly. This kind of notation is for user convenience. Internal computation will happen this way. So this notation is for computer convenience. I hope you're getting it. Very easy. See, base address of zeroth element of 1D array. What is base address? See, it is 1000. Zeroth element's base address 1000. Let me state it 1000. Maybe I'll write here. In brackets I'll write it. Or maybe equal. Okay, in brackets I'll write it. Fine. Base address of fifth element of the array. This will be what? This will not be 1000 plus 5, 1005. It will be 1000 plus 5 into whatever we were pointing earlier. Okay, we were pointing to this element, zeroth element. So 1000 plus 5 into size of element. This is called as pointer arithmetic. Right now we are pointing to 1020. I'll state it. Okay, don't worry. 1020. Okay. I'll state it on the next slide. But value of fifth element of the 1D array value is 6. So that is how we got 6. Right. So see this one. 1000 plus 5. Right now what we did. A plus 5 equal to 1000 plus 5. See, this is actually computed as 1000 plus 5 into size of element, because right now A is pointing to element, zeroth element. Okay, so size of element, take size of it, size of element. What is it? This will be equal to 1000 plus 5 into. So size of element, our assumption, what was it? 4 bytes, isn't it? 4 bytes. 1000 into 4. Do 5 into 4. So let's do it. 5 4s are 20. So 1020. That's it. This is how you got it. Simple. So this is how you got this one. I hope you're getting it. Connect the dots. Okay. Now let's see one more interesting thing about arrays. If you see a of 1, what is a of 1? A of 1 can be internally, okay, this is for user convenience. A of 1 can be written as a plus 1 star, isn't it? I just explained it right now. I took example of a of 5 and this was 6 and star a plus 5, this is also 6. This is right. The exact explanation I have written here. So a of 1 is star a plus 1. Now, if you see, what is a plus b? Is it equal to b plus a commutative property? You use it. Star 1 plus a. So you can mention it 1 of a. Isn't it very interesting? Have you ever seen this notation? Even 1 of a is correct. Try it out. So maybe you can see this one, a of 3, or let's say not a of 3, a of 0, equal to what? Star a plus 0. Okay, what is it equal to? A plus 0, 0 plus a. You can do it, isn't it? Star 0 plus a. What is it? You can also write it as 0 of a. Isn't it interesting? Apart from that, if you observe this one, anything added with 0 will be same thing only. A only. You can also write it as star a, isn't it? You can also write it as star a, because star 0 plus a or a plus 0 is a itself. A plus 0 is what? A. So star a. So star a can also be written. So that is why when I mentioned star a, it is nothing but a of 0. Okay, value of 0th element. See, star a, what is star a? 1. What is 1? Value of 0th element. I hope you are connecting the dots. This concept is very easy. See, so there's not much thing left in 1D arrays. Maybe okay, we can see, we can take a lot of examples. Just take some examples. Do let me know the values of this one. A. Do let me know the values. What will be the values of star a? Okay, do let me know these values. Star a, star a. Again, maybe next page, some few more questions maybe. And a. We'll take a lot of questions. And a. And a. Okay, and a. Maybe star and a. And star a. It's just they take a lot of questions. We'll see a few more questions. Okay, be there with me. Concentrate properly. This is very easy concept. See, what is a? If you see this one, see this way. This is a 1D array. Okay, 1D array consists of multiple elements, 0th element, first element, so on. What is a? Array name without subscript indicates base address of 0th element. Okay, what is base address of 0th element? Our assumption 1000, starting with 1000, isn't it? Base address was starting with 1000. Okay, so you just start with 1000. So what will this be? Let me just write it somewhat downside. Okay, so this is a means what? Base address of 0th element 1000. Star a. So for that we need a. A is 1000. What is a? A is base address of 0th element of the 1D array. Star a will be what? Star a will be value of 0th element. What is it? 1. So see this one. Okay, refer to this figure. Okay, every time. Fine. Let me just rub this one. This diagram is very important. So if you see this 1D arrays, I have mentioned it beautifully with the help of these notations and this diagram. So this diagram and this convention, okay, everything, this will be very beneficial for you. So you just concentrate properly. A. What is this A? Array name without subscript indicates base address of zeroth element in 1D array. What is it? 1000. See, what this one is 1000. What will the star indicate? Okay, it is 1, isn't it? If you go one level inside with the help of star, you are trying to dereference it, or you are going to go one level inside, isn't it? 1. You'll get the value of zeroth location. Fine. Value of zeroth element of the 1D array. It is 1. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. We took values like this, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, such values with zeroth element, value of zeroth element, okay, of the 1D array, it is 1. See, if you put one more star, what is there inside 1000? Inside 1? Nothing. If you try to dereference 1, what will you get? Error, obviously. There's nothing inside 1. We also saw this here, maybe where we saw it. Here, star, error. So, error. This will result into an error. Error. If you see this one, what is A? A is 1000. Think progressively, okay? Don't directly jump to this entire thing. Think progressively. A is base address of zeroth element. It is 1000. What is this one? Star A. It is value of zeroth element. It is 1. Now, what is this star A? Here itself, you will get an error, isn't it? Here itself, you will get an error. So, error. So, why to deal with this one, isn't it? If you are getting error here itself, why to put one more star? You will still get error. This entire thing will be error itself. So, I hope you are getting it. If you are getting error here itself, why to take into consideration this one? Here also you will get error. And A. What is this A? A is base address of zeroth element. Oh, okay, this one is 1000. What is AND A? AND A is go one level outside. So zeroth element. So a lot of elements are there. If you combine everything, okay, you will get the entire 1D array. So AND A indicates base address of base address of the entire 1D array, isn't it? So just see this one. AND A is 1000. Why 1000? So see this one. If you observe this one, what is base address of entire 1D array? Obviously, it's the starting 1000. Base address of zeroth element. Obviously, this starting 1000. I hope you're getting it. Fine. So let's see a few more questions. Isn't it easy? A. What is this A? A is 1000. What is this AND A? We just saw it. Obviously, it is base address of the entire 1D array. It is 1000. What is this? AND A. It will result into error. We just saw it. This will result into error. You can test it out on online C compiler. Fine. Or C++. Anyways, what is this A? A is what? 1000. Base address of zeroth element. It is 1000. What is this AND A? AND A will be what? You are trying to go one level outside. Okay, zeroth element base address. Okay, go one level outside. Entire 1D array's base address. Isn't it very easy? See, this will be what? This will be, let me write it. This will be 1000. Okay. If I put star, I try to go one level inside. Again, same thing. So, see, zeroth element, base address of zeroth element of the 1D array. Then what we did, I put AND A, base address of the entire array. Then I again put star, go again one level inside. Again, base address of zeroth element. Okay, so it will be 1000 itself. So this will be 1000. I hope you are getting it. It's so easy concept, so easy. See this one. What is A? A is 1000. What is star A? I hope you got comfortable with the terminology. Star A, go one level inside. Okay. A is base address of zeroth element. If you go one level inside, you will get value of zeroth element. Value. Okay. Value is 1. See this one. A is base address of zeroth element. If you go one level inside, just put star. You'll go one level inside, you'll get value, isn't it? It is so easy. I want all of you to concentrate properly. Very easy concepts. See, if I again put and, okay, if I put and, what will happen? I'll again go outside. See, it is happening this way. If I write it visually, right now we are here, isn't it? This one, base address of zeroth element of the 1D array. If I put star, I got this value. Okay, I put this star. I got this value one. Okay, value of zeroth element. I again put and. I again put and. I hope you're getting it. I'll get what? I'll go one level outside. One level outside. This means what? Obviously, this again we come back to A itself, base address of zeroth element. Isn't it so easy? I hope you're getting it. So let me write the answer. What will this be? This will be obviously this will be 1,000. Base address of zeroth element. Again, okay, there are no more questions. Maybe you can take 4 to 5 questions and we'll end it. So maybe difficult ended questions, or let's say this question. Okay, star, star, okay, star and 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 a. Okay, find the value of this one. What will be the value of this one? Don't get overwhelmed with this one. It is easy. See this one. Maybe we can do some easy question first. Or let's say do some easy question first. Again, let's do this one. Star and and star a. Do this one first. Star, star, and a. A. Okay. Do this one. Last one. Star and star and star a. Or maybe this one. And then we'll go to somewhat bigger problems. So see, think progressively. What is A? A is base address of zeroth element. I hope you're getting habituated to the terminology. What is A? A will be 1,000. Okay. What is this one? Star A. Value of zeroth element. Okay, it will be 1, isn't it? We just saw it earlier itself. Okay. If I put and, what will happen? I'll again point to A. Okay. I'll again go to point to A. It means base address of zeroth element. It will be 1,000. If I put and again, okay, it will be effectively and, isn't it? Value of, maybe if you are getting confused, let me just show it to you. Star and you put star first, then and. Okay. Initially you are here A star 1. Okay, and again A. Again and, okay, and A. Effectively you are pointing to 1,000. I hope you're getting it. So easy, so easy. And then what? This A, this star. So again, it will be what? So it will be 1,000 itself. What is it? Base address of zeroth element. This will be 1,000. So all these concepts are very easy. Please concentrate properly. You'll get to learn a lot from this video. If you see this one. What is A? A is 1,000. What is and A? And A is 1. Oh, okay. Address, base address of the entire 1D array. It will again be 1,000. What is this? Star and A. Star and A is actually what? Star and A means what? So see this. A is base address of, so this was our array, isn't it? So zeroth element. A means what? Base address of zeroth element. This is what we are concerned right now. Okay. And a base address of entire 1D array. If I put star, again base address of zeroth element. Again, if I put star one more time, value of zeroth element. Okay, we will get, so this one will be 1,000. And this one will be value of zeroth element. So 1. Finally, to answer this one, if you observe this one, see, it is very easy. maybe I'll show you pattern at the end. That would be better. Maybe after I write one more question. This will be what? Think progressively. Okay. A is what? 1000. Base address of zeroth element of the 1D array. Star A. Okay. 1D array is divided into multiple elements, and we are dealing with zeroth element. Okay. A is base address of zeroth element. If I put star, I'll go one level inside. Value of zeroth element. So you can also do it visually, isn't it? Just look at the camera maybe. Okay. A base address of zeroth element. Star. Okay, dereference it, go one level inside, value of zeroth element, and again base address of zeroth element, again star, value of zeroth element, again and base address of zeroth element, again star, okay, value of zeroth element. You are getting value of zeroth element, isn't it? So value of zeroth element, that is what you are getting. So so maybe I should write this one properly so that it will be in your notes as well. For the sake of it, I'm stating it carefully here. Maybe you please mention it. Fine. This will be 1000. This will be what? Okay, this will be 1. Okay. Okay, now this one. Again, this address. This will be 1000. And finally, this will be so. Maybe I should write this one properly. This will be 1. Final question. Okay. You just try to answer this one. Star and 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 A. Try to answer it. Very easy. See this pattern. You are right now, initially you are pointing to A. It means what? Base address of zeroth element of the 1D array and A. Okay. Base address of the entire 1D array. Then again star A, base address of zeroth element. Okay. And star is effectively cancelling each other. If you observe this one, and star is effectively cancelling each other. That is what is happening. Star and A is effectively A itself. Okay, and star will cancel out each other. And star, star and okay, all this it will cancel out each other. Okay, and so on. Fine, you'll go till here. Finally, what you'll get? You'll get answer to be what? A itself. What is A? Answer is A. Okay, this effectively boils down to A. What is A? A is base address of zeroth element of the 1D array. What is it? So it is 1000. I hope you got this question. So very easy. Even you can do it here itself. So star A, star and okay, one okay. You'll go one level inside, one level outside. Maybe you do it that way. Try it out. Okay. So I'll just maybe I'll give you an exercise to think. Star A is what? 1. And of star A is what? And 1. Okay. 1 can be anywhere, isn't it? One here is 1, and we should get address of 1 as 1000. Maybe what if here was 1? We should have got 1012, isn't it? 1012. What if here was 1? What if here was 1? What if here was 1? What if in the code there might be int temp equal to 1? Isn't it? Which address will you take? Will you take the temporary, this integer's address? Let's say this address is 5000. Will you print 5000, or will you print 1024, or will you print 1020, or will you print 1012, or will you print 1000? Okay, think about it. Maybe you can take it as a homework. Okay, I tried it on online compilers, so I got the same value. That is why I mentioned this one. Okay, star and then and. Okay. So okay, you can try it out on different online C compilers. Check it out. What happens? Fine. Maybe the last example, and star 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 A. Same thing, same thing. What is it? A is the base address of zeroth element. Okay, star A. Oh, well, okay, I need and star. Okay, let me just see star and okay. Okay, take the value of zeroth element and then put and okay address. So see this one. What will happen? Just take it as a homework maybe. What is this? This one is what? This one is 1,000. You already know it. Our assumption base address was 1,000. What is this one? Star A. What is this one? Star A means what? Value of zeroth element. A is value base address of zeroth element. If you dereference it, if you go one level inside, star A, value of zeroth element. And A, if you go one level outside, what you will get? You'll again get 1,000. But this thing is compiler dependent. So if you check it out on some C compilers, may get error, fine, or may get random values. But then generally it should be 1,000 itself. Why? I told you the reason. So it is effectively what? Address star A means what? Star A means 1, isn't it? What is it? Star A is 1. One's address of 1. Okay, 1 can be anywhere, 1 can be here. So will you print 1016? 1 can be here itself. So will you print 1008? 1 is here also. So will you print 1000? Think about it. Give it a thought. Maybe take this as a homework, or maybe try it out. Okay, maybe take it as a homework. So just take it as a homework. That's it for today. So if you see 1D arrays, we have completed almost everything related to 1D arrays. Right from basics, I took you to advanced level. So we saw a lot of problems. I think this should be sufficient to solve any kind of question related to 1D arrays. So same thing will be extended to 2D arrays and 3D arrays. And if you see this one is very intuitive, very easy. No need to remember anything. All you need to know is what does A indicate. In a 1D array, A indicates what? Base address of zeroth element, because 1D array is composed of multiple elements, and base address of zeroth element is what A indicates. Now, if you extend this concept to 2D arrays, just think about it. 2D array is composed of multiple 1D arrays. What will A indicate? Base address of zeroth 1D array in case of 2D arrays. 3D array, simple. 3D array will be composed of multiple 2D arrays. What will A indicate in that case? Base address of 2D array. So isn't it very easy? So intuitive. I hope you loved this video. Let me write, and so you already know star is indirectional dereferencing operator, and is you will get the address. Okay, in order to get address, you will use and. Okay, so that's it. That's it for today. I hope you loved this one. So these things are very important. What is A? What is star A? What is and A? What is star? What will star A give? What will and A give? This terminology is very important compared to when we are concerned with this 1D arrays. Okay, these things will change. For a 2D array, this won't be the base address of zeroth element. It will be base address of zeroth 1D array. So maybe this is for only 1D arrays. So I hope you love this one. This is for user convenience. This is for computer convenience. This is pointer arithmetic. Fine, pointer arithmetic. What is this one? Pointer arithmetic. Fine. This one is an interesting fact. Maybe okay. You revise this notes carefully. Once again, you'll find the answer to this question. It is very easy. Take it as a homework. I hope you loved this session. That's it from my side. Bye.